Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Mustang check transmission fluid message or concern and the likely reasons behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. A check transmission fluid concern in the Ford Mustang is commonly described as a message appearing on the dashboard, difficulty checking fluid levels, or symptoms such as rough shifting or delayed engagement that prompt owners to inspect transmission fluid. Verified owner reports and service information show that transmission fluid-related concerns have been reported across multiple Ford Mustang model years and generations, with differences depending on transmission type and design. One verified and frequently reported reason involves low or degraded transmission fluid. Fluid level that falls below specifications or fluid that is broken down over time can affect hydraulic pressure and shift quality, leading to warnings or noticeable drivability changes. Another confirmed reason relates to transmission temperature conditions. Overheating can cause fluid to degrade more quickly, and some systems may prompt fluid inspection when operating temperatures exceed normal ranges. Sealed transmission design is also a documented factor. Many newer Ford Mustang automatic transmissions are sealed units without traditional dipsticks. In these cases, manufacturer guidelines require fluid checks under specific conditions, and warning messages may appear if the system detects irregular operation. Transmission sensor or monitoring behavior has also been reported. Sensors that monitor temperature, pressure, or operation may trigger messages or alerts that lead to a recommendation to check transmission fluid even when the fluid level itself is not easily accessible. Maintenance interval-related concerns are another verified consideration. As mileage increases, manufacturers may recommend inspection or service of transmission fluid, especially under severe driving conditions. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include recent transmission service, software-related monitoring behavior, or driving patterns such as towing or aggressive use. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic procedures. Common guidance reported by technicians and owners includes following manufacturer-specified procedures for checking transmission fluid, inspecting for leaks, verifying operating temperature during checks, and scanning for transmission-related diagnostic codes. Repairs and service depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford Mustang transmission fluid concerns are related to maintenance needs or monitoring alerts rather than internal transmission failure. However, experiences vary by model year, transmission type, and usage. In conclusion, Ford Mustang check transmission fluid concerns are typically linked to fluid condition, temperature-related operation, sealed transmission design, or system monitoring behavior. The exact reason differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional evaluation essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.